Yes, my name is Rachdianto. I'm actually doing this IT security cyber consultant and awareness and education since 1997. So it's approximately 20 years in around Asia Pacific, like in Singapore, Hong Kong, Malaysia, Australia, and any other Asia Pacific country. A lot of attack, a lot of cyber crimes, and it's more organized because now hackers, they are not just doing their activity for fun, they're also doing the activity to make money, to make profit. And the problem is a lot of companies, they don't realize that, especially because everything is based on the internet nowadays, mobile application, web-based application, financial transaction, and so on. So we need to really focus in the cyber security. The problem nowadays is a lot of hackers can easily break into companies or someone else's system easily without enough knowledge. They can just download the tools from the internet, they can just download the book from there, they can just watch the YouTube and so on. So that's a problem nowadays. Okay, the weakest link in the security chains is still human. We have fastest growing internet user, but the problem is a lot of users, they don't know or even they don't aware of the cyber security threat. So that's a problem. All the employees, let's say in the start from the end user to the top level management, at least they must have awareness of the cyber security. At least they must know what hacker can do to their organization. What is the attack? What kind of let's say the motive of the goals of the cybercrime organization. You need to always keep up to date with the latest threat, with the latest vulnerability, latest technology, right? By education, by training, or by joining a seminar, going to the workshop, and so on.
From the workshop today, I think it has done a good job to tell us that threats are everywhere. So we are being attacked through our laptops, our mobile phones, our internet, Wi-Fi, and so on. So it sort of tells us to be more vigilant wherever we are, whatever we are doing.
Well, we are the one of the bigger subsidiaries in Singapore or the Asia Pacific in general. Our management is always asking us to be more aware of the threats around us. So we have to be more vigilant in that sense.
One of the key messages in this session was that the users are actually the weakest link in terms of security. I mean, we can have the best of breed for IT security and everything, but through various other means, hackers can come into our system. So definitely we need to create awareness for the end users so that they are more resilient to such an attacks.
My key takeaways from this workshop is that you may have the most up-to-date, state-of-the-art cybersecurity, but the one thing that would topple the entire house of cards is the human element.
I particularly enjoy the part where this workshop is very much down to earth with a lot of demos, and I think we can see in a very practical way that how attacks are being carried out and how easily that we are being compromised, and if we are not careful, we would be definitely under attack by the hackers.
The human element is the weakest link, so to raise the awareness is the most pivotal point. Or you can change your policies, you can update your policies, but if the human, the user themselves choose to ignore it, then you have a liability for your cybersecurity right there. Thank you NTUC LearningHub for putting this workshop together. It was an extremely valuable experience.